Howdy folks, yesterday, September the 1st, 2021, HEASoft patch 6.29c was released for HEASoft version 6.29, so I just wanted to make this quick video to alert all of you of that, for those of you that were not aware of this patch. Additionally, I want to go over those patch notes very quickly, because for those of you that have installed HEASoft version 6.29 prior to September the 1st of 2021, you're going to want to apply this patch, particularly if you are a NICER user. The main fix with this is that there appears to be quite a big bug with this time zero in NICER ARF, NICER extract events, and NICER FPM cell, as well as NICER vig sum. I've never really actually had to call NICER vig sum, manually at least. But at least for the rest of these, there is this time zero bug that is now fixed within NICERDAS, and this is going to be NICERDAS version 8C. To apply this patch per usual, it is a shell script, so you're just going to want to download this shell script and then just run it pretty simply with sh and then the path to the shell script itself. It'll take a few moments to run, and in about 2 minutes it should be all finished up and you should be ready to go. Let's double check that. Reinitialize HEASoft. If I could type it in correctly, open up XSpec. And yeah, there it goes, it works. Of course, per usual, I will leave a link in the description down below to the patch itself, and then the release notes also. Again, this is just going to patch these issues with NICERDAS, so if you're not a NICER user, you don't really need to worry about this. But if you do plan on doing any sort of analysis of NICER data at any point in the future with HEASoft version 6.29, you should upgrade or patch these bugs with HEASoft patch 6.29c. Again, I'm not affiliated with NASA, the Goddard Space Flight Center, HEASARC, or the NICER mission in any way. I'm an independent researcher, so take what I say with a grain of salt. But if you have any questions, feel free to ask away in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to answer you as best as I can and as quickly as I can. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully next time we can talk about something a little bit more interesting that is not just HEASoft patches.